All right, let's look at the homework 4.4, problem number 3. All right, it's actually this one. All right, so let's do this one. All right, so let's plug in x equals 0, see what happens. All right, if you plug in 0 for x, you have 4 to the 0th power is 1, minus 1 is 0. So the denominator approaches 0. All right, then on top, but 0 times everything is 0. So top also approaches 0. All right, so this is a good setup for L'Hopital's rule. So we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So let's do that. So by applying L'Hopital's rule, we have natural log, not natural log, limit as x approaches 0. All right, so let's take the derivative of the numerator. So that's going to be, so we're going to have to use the product rule. Derivative of the first guy is 1 times the second, so you have a 4x, right? I mean, we can write 1 times, right? Plus, first guy is x, and the derivative of 4 to the x would be natural log of 4 times 4 to the x. Right, then on the bottom we're going to have the same thing, natural log of 4 to the x, and derivative of -1 is 0. So we have that. All right, then we have let's see, everyone seems to have 4 to the x there, so we can cancel them out. So we can see that x to the 4 to the x divided by 4 to the x cancel out, and the same thing here. So we have that. And as x approaches 0, we know that let's see, this guy approaches 0. All right, and then you have so we have 1 plus 0, which is 1 over natural log of 4. So this is 1 over natural log of 4. All right, so let's type it in. All right, we got 1 over natural log of 4. Oops. All right, let's see, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.